And if you are in the market for a good time to buy, mortgage loan expert Brian Sachs is here with more on this. Good morning, Brian.
Good morning. Great to be here.
Great to see you. So, yes or no? Is this the time?
That's the big question. The answer is absolutely yes, and for a whole host of reasons.
All right. Now, interest rates right now, they are expected to rise shortly, are they not?
They're expected to rise, and candidly, we thought we were going to already have seen a rise in interest rate. And crazy as it is, rates are still historically at great rates, low rates.
All right. So what else is going on that's making this a good time?
Well, you have rental rates rising. You have home prices going up only moderately. So really, the choice with low rates, low home prices, and the alternative rent going up, great time to buy.
Okay. So your advice in terms of starting that search to look at a home?
So the first thing you want to do is actually meet with a lender and get yourself pre-approved.
Yeah, that is so vital.
Absolutely.
So
there are so many programs available today. It's always good to meet with a lender, know what your comfort levels are, know which programs. So when you go into the marketplace, you already have your loan secured and are ready to go. No surprises.
Yeah, that work's done. And you said the guidelines have really eased right now.
The guidelines have eased. It's very interesting, actually. People have the misconception that things have tightened up. Actually, things have loosened up a little bit. As an example, on an FHA, many lenders are now able to go to a lower credit score of 580. So you don't necessarily need perfect credit to buy a home. You don't need a lot of cash to buy a home.
And the veterans, I see, zero down.
Zero down, not only for veterans, but also for reservists. And many reservists have now come back and may not even know they're eligible for a zero down mortgage.
Well, that's very helpful now, especially considering the employment problem for some of those folks who are coming back. And tell me about these boomerang buyers. They're back.
So this is a new phenomenon. Absolutely. And that's why they call them boomerangs. So they had a home, they had to sell their home with a short sale, or maybe they even went into foreclosure or bankruptcy. There are programs that now will allow many of these folks to obtain a mortgage with attractive rates and very little money down.
Well, that's major because their lives have really been turned upside down.
Absolutely. And these were good people. Many had unfortunate circumstances during the mortgage meltdown.
Absolutely. So I was looking at Zillow came out with a report this week that said this is really the right time for millennials to be buying a home.
Absolutely. You know, again, we have low rates, we have moderate home prices, and we have rents rising. So now really is the optimal time for millennials, really for almost anybody. It's a great time.
You made the pitch, Brian.
There you go.
Well done.
Thank you.
All right, good to see you. And stay with us coming up next, 11 News, John. And if you are